Continuation of this video. This is the main building. This is the main building at Amiichi in Nnewi. This is the main building. Just see. Let's see for yourself. This is the main building. See enough compound. A mounted solar camera, normal camera, and the solar light. This is all we do. So let's go inside the building and see what's up there. We are going inside now. Let's see what's up. Let's see the beauty of this mansion, this villa. Okay, this is the entrance door. See by yourself. You can feel it. Feel the door.